Hello guys, this is Noah here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna learn a new color grading in Adobe Lightroom. Bring the exposure a little bit down. Depends on your picture situations. And contrast -23 and highlight -62 and shadow plus around 80 and whites all the way -100 and black -15. Now go to the curves and follow my step. Now go to the color section, vibrance -20 and saturation +9. Now go to the mix color, select the red color, hue to -9, saturation -34. Now select the orange color, hue -12 and saturation -41. Now select the yellow color, hue and saturation both are -100. Select the aqua color, saturation -100 and luminance -32. Now select the blue color, again saturation -100 and luminance -26. Purple and magenta both -100 and -100. Okay, now go to the profile and select modern 2. Hit OK and now go to the effects panel. Add little bit of texture +12, add clarity 37%. Go to the split tone to 200 and saturation around 20 to 15. Okay, it's done. Go to the details section, bring up the noise reduction +15, color noise reduction around 20. Let's change the contrast with -15. Let's try this effect on one more image. Copy the settings, open your picture and paste the settings. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell. And don't forget to like my video. And you guys can follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description or you can see on your screens now. If you have any question, just DM me on Instagram or you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is in description below. I hope you guys doing well. I see you soon. Bye.